Olá, você está assistindo Democrat TV, highlighting Democrat TV.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you some news that's not the easiest to hear, but it's important. It's a reality we can't ignore. But remember, no matter how tough things might look, we are blessed. Now I want to talk about something that's coming up. It's not something we can just brush off. It's important, and I need you to listen carefully because the whole world is about to feel it. We're talking about a massive economic disaster, not just in America but everywhere. But before we dive into that, I want you to remember one thing. The Most High is still in control, no matter how bad things might seem. He's got the final say. So, as we talk about this, I want you to hold onto the thought that He's got us. Before we get into all the heavy stuff, make sure you share this video with friends and family. It's important for everyone to hear this, and it's the perfect time to spread the word. We need to stick together in times like this. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our important talks. Now, back to what's going on. So, there's something big on the horizon and it's going to affect everyone. We all heard about it, but I'm here to give you the real scope. This isn't something that might happen, it's already happening, and we need to wake up to it. It's about artificial intelligence, AI. Sounds futuristic, right? But it's happening right now. Some people might think, oh, AI won't affect me. I have a stable job. It's just for the tech world. But this is the problem. These technologies are going to affect everyone, no matter your job, no matter where you live. Listen to this carefully. Experts are saying that over 100 million jobs in the United States alone could be wiped out in the next decade. And it's not just one industry, it's across the board, from fast food workers to truck drivers to accountants to even software developers. Yes, even those safe jobs are at risk being replaced by machines. So can you imagine a whole bunch of people losing their jobs to robots and artificial intelligence? And the scary part is it's already happening. This is not something that will happen in the distant future. It's happening right now. So where does that leave us? What can we do about it? If you've been following the news, you might have heard about Senator Bernie Sanders talking about this, and he's been giving strong warnings in his report. He mentions how big companies like Amazon, Walmart, JP Morgan are already using AI to cut down on workers. They're replacing human jobs with machines, and it saves money for them. But here's the thing, it's not just about losing jobs, it's about how these changes will affect our communities with so many people out there. So, with so many people out of work, we could see massive unemployment and economic instability. The system is set up to push us all into a corner, and if you think you'll get another job, think again. Even the jobs we think are safe are at risk. Fast food restaurants, yep, they're already tasting bots to take orders and deliver food. Delivery service, their machines already dropping off packages around neighborhoods. It's all part of the plan to replace workers with technology. So, what's really next? We need to wake up. We need to prepare, spiritually and practically. We cannot just sit back and wait for things to happen. The world is changing, and we have to understand how to live in it. We must also help those around us and understand what's going on. Share this video with your friends and family, even if they don't want to hear it. The truth is something we cannot afford to know, but it's not just about jobs, it's about control. They want to control where we live, how we live, even when we leave our houses. Have you heard about 15-minute cities? It sounds strange, but the idea is that in the future we might only be allowed to travel within a small area. Everything we need will be 15 minutes of our own homes. Sounds nice, right? But it also means total control. They could decide when, where we could go, and this isn't just happening in one country. This is a global push, and do you know how they plan to do this? With digital currency. That's right. They want us to use digital currency. They can control. Imagine not being able to buy anything unless they say it's okay. If you speak out against them or break the rules, they can simply cut you off. It's all a way to control us without us even realizing it. But here's the good news. The Most High is still in control. These plans might seem scary, but remember, nothing can happen without His permission. We need to trust in Him and we need to keep our faith strong. This is the time to fulfill our faith, not let fear take over. So, what do we do now? We need to be ready for what's coming. We need to be spiritually prepared and we need to take action. Stay informed, stay connected, and keep your eyes on the future. These are not just stories we're sharing, they're warnings. As always, thank you for listening. I pray that you stay safe, stay wise, and stay powerful. See you next time. Love you always. Bye.